Hello, in this video I show you how to replace the engine oil and oil filter on Audi A5 F5 3 liters TDI. First we're going to remove the engine cover, and this is the oil filler cap. We're going to remove it, loosen it and remove it, and this is the oil filter that we need to remove next. To remove the oil filter, we need to use a socket size 32. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the oil filter is loosened, make sure you get a cloth underneath so you don't make a mess, and take out the oil filter and you can replace it. Next I'm going to go underneath the car and drain the engine oil, but first I need to remove this engine under tray in order to get access to the drain plug. Now I have access to the oil pan and the drain plug. That's the drain plug right there. To remove the drain plug, I need a Torx bit T45. Now that the drain plug is removed, I'm going to drain all the oil. That's all the oil drained, so now I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next I'm going to replace the oil filter. First I'm going to remove the old oil filter and I'm going to replace it with a new one, and I'm also going to replace the O-ring on the oil filter cap. Now that the oil filter is replaced, I'm going to put it back in its place and tighten it. Next I'm going to fill the engine oil, but before doing that I'll show you the service manual for the specification for this engine oil service. Filling capacity is 6.1 liters, oil grade is VW509 classification and 0W20 or 0W30. I'm going to use 5W30. Tightening torque for the drain bolt is 30 Newton meters and the oil filter is 35 Newton meters. Next I'm going to fill the oil into the engine. I'm going to be using this kind of oil, 5W30. It's okay for the temperatures that I'm in. The oil capacity is about 6.1 liters, so maybe you should add around 6 liters of oil. That's 6 liters of oil added. Now I'm going to remove the funnel and put the oil filler cap back on. Next I'm gonna go inside the car and check the engine oil level. First, to do that, we don't have a dipstick. I'm going to do it from the dashboard. First I'm going to turn the ignition on. Then with the buttons on the center console, I'm going to look at the monitor, and these are the buttons on the center console. I'm gonna go to car. Next I'm going to press one of the buttons. I'll show you which one now. I'm going to press this button and it will go into this menu. Then we go into service and checks, and then we go into oil level, and we can see that the oil level is okay. It's around at the halfway mark. Here from the menu you can reset the oil service interval as well. We're gonna go to service intervals, press the OK button, and then reset oil change interval and press OK again. You press yes here, and that's how you reset the oil service interval as well. Hopefully the video is helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.